The Caesar Cipher. Caesar Cipher is one of the simplest and most widely known encryption techniques. It's simply a type of substitution cipher. Each letter of a given text is replaced by a letter with a fixed number of positions down the alphabet. The Caesar cipher is named after Julius Caesar, who used it with a shift or a key of 3 to protect messages of military significance. While Caesar's was the first recorded use of this scheme, other substitution ciphers are known to have been used earlier.
If he had anything confidential to say, he wrote it in cipher, that is, by so changing the order of the letters of the alphabet, that not a word could be made out. If anyone wishes to decipher these, and get at their meaning, he must substitute the fourth letter of the alphabet, namely D, for A, and so with the others.
In this example, the key is 2, and the alphabet is rotated right. So, the letter A is replaced by the letter C. The letter B is replaced by the letter D. The letter C is replaced by the letter E. The letter D is replaced by the letter F, and so on. For example, for encrypting network encyclopedia with this key, the N is replaced by a P. The E is replaced by a G. The T by a V. The W by a Y, and so on. The result is a little difficult to pronounce. Creating a program that receives a text, string, and a key, or shift value, integer, and returns the encrypted text. C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python. A construction of 2 rotating disks with a Caesar cipher can be used to encrypt or decrypt the code more easily. Breaking the cipher. The Caesar cipher can be easily broken. Since there are only a limited number of possible shifts, 25 in the English language, they can each be tested in turn, in a brute force attack. One way to do this is to write out a snippet of the ciphertext in a table of all possible shifts. The correct text is easily recognizable by eye. If you want to learn more about networking concepts and definitions, don't forget to press the subscribe button. To be notified when our channel releases another video, click also on the bell icon. And don't forget to visit our website, networkencyclopedia.com.